I'm saying no to this fucking life. Pow, pow, pow. Someone is going abroad. Someone is doing some kind of thing that they want to do. किसी को job मिल गई, कोई पढ़ाई कर रहा है. But man, look what I'm doing here. Standing in front of you in the camera and expressing that I'm not satisfied with what I'm doing right now. Is it justified? No, right? It's not justified. I also want to do what I want to do, but I really don't know what I want to do. Maybe I know what I want to do, but I'm just confused what to do. Jai It's not that hard that I want to banjo. Now the English बोली जाती है even though I know how to talk in English. But when it comes to speak in front of camera or in front of someone, it's like हिंदी भी नहीं बोली जाती क्योंकि मुझे पता है मुझे इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. I cannot also speak other languages. Pow, pow, pow. If I go through my diaries, then I wanted to leave everything because I have failed lots of times. Sometimes in some other pages, I wanted to learn to crack NEET to become a doctor. In some other pages, I want to become a businessman who solves the problem to make the world more shittier thing to live in. And in some other pages, I just want to give up on everything and live as I am. No, there is no page saying such a thing, okay? Something so hardly, then that didn't give you the result you expected. Feels like, I don't know what I've written and why I have written it. 20 बैठ दो खुद दो. Huh? Let me create my video. So what I wanted to say is that I don't want to live this life. I also don't want to die, man. I want to do something big. Maybe I need a mentor. Maybe I am the mentor who gonna guide myself through all the ways to determine what I want in life. There was a time when I used to dream about things. बड़ा सा एक ट्रेंच खरीदूंगा जो फील्ड पे एक ही फार्म हाउस हो, बाहर एक तालाब हो, तालाब में मछलियां ही मछलियां हो, अनुराग आ रहा हो, बैठ रहा हूँ अनुराग के साथ. हैं जीप रेंगुलर उठाई हुए हैं, इसकी माँ की मजे ही मजे. जा रहे हैं रूफ टॉप ओपन गाड़ी घूमने, इसकी माँ की मजे ही मजे. स्कूल का मीटअप डे चल रहा है, जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल पर्सन बन के. हैं मैं ही होस्ट कर दे रहा, इसकी माँ की मजे ही मजे. I had such thoughts when I was nothing. And still I'm nothing. And I stopped thinking like that. I don't know why. I guess I gave up on life that कि ये सब dreams है, ये कोई पूरे नहीं होंगे. There's a half part that thinks so, but the other half part don't think it will not happen. It's against the things. It's like this. This is me. I'm talking to myself. Mother की इमेजिन कर सकता है तू सिर्फ, बाकी तेरे से कुछ नहीं होना. और एक्शन एक ऐसी चीज है जो तुमने कभी सुनी भी नहीं है. यू कैन नॉट. करना होता तो प्लस टू खत्म होते ही कर देता. बड़ी बड़ी बातें फूकता था और कहता था खुद से कि हाँ, दिस इज द ईयर दैट आई एम गोना चेंज माय लाइफ. 2024 वेंट ऑफ. 2025 ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है. नवंबर. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डिसम्बर. व्हेन यू गोना डू इन 1 month the thing that you cannot did in whole 9 months, you're gonna do in just 1 month. You're gonna live the same life that your dad did or your grandparents did. And there's other part that says, I accept all of that. Still, I have hope. जब छोटा उस टाइम पे मोटिवेशन वीडियोस देखा करता था. सोया तो क्या सोया, सोने से सपना दिखा. सपना तो सपना दिखा, पर सपने से इरादा दिखा. इवन दो मैं खुद पे भरोसा नहीं करता, लेकिन मैं खुद पे भरोसा करता हूँ. आई बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. आई नो, आई एक्सेप्ट दैट कि मैं कभी एक्शन नहीं लेता किसी चीज़ से. बट द थिंग इज दैट नहीं लेता मैं एक्शन. एक रूटीन बना रहा हूँ कि जो बातें करता हूँ उस बातें को मैं पूरा भी कर सकूँ. बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट डिफाइंस अ मैन फ्रॉम वुमेन. क्योंकि जो चीज़ें बोलता हूँ वो चीज़ें करने की आदत डाल रहा हूँ. आई नो प्लस टू के बाद बहुत फूका लगन बात है, लाइक ये कर दूंगा वो कर दूंगा. मे बी आई हैव गिवन सम फॉल्ट delusions or dreams to my friends, to my family. Yeah, I accept it, but I'm trying to change myself. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day I'll change myself. This is also from that motivational video, by the way. I watched in my childhood. By the way, सबको पता है कि मैं immortal बनना चाहता हूँ. I want to be immortal. But the thing is that it's impossible. Yeah, it's different. Different तो होगा ही. कैसे नहीं होगा? जब तू सोचता है उन चीज़ों को करता नहीं है. How can it be a perfect thing for you to describe in words? I don't know if it's right or wrong, but जिस भी पाथ पे मैं चल रहा हूँ, it's good. It's feeling good. Painful है. Okay. मेरे अंदर आदत नहीं है, पता नहीं. I don't feel like regretting something. Just मेरे अंदर कुछ chemical reactions होती हैं that trigger some kind of feeling inside me. And that right now I'm feeling inside me. It's like emptiness. I will make it. I will make it one day. या तो करूँगा या तो करूँगा. Okay. That's it. I have nothing to say you will never make it. If you really want to prove yourself, let's see for the upcoming 6 months. I think 6 months there will be a NEET examination, right? So if you prepare, if you do whatever, I don't care whatever you'll do. You have option of learning to become a doctor. You have option to do business or to do some kind of thing that you got the knowledge of to get monetized and get earn money or destroy yourself. That's the only thing that I can think of you. And I'm believing that you're not gonna make it through. And these are my two personalities who think they are smart, but they don't know. This is me. Me who don't care about these two motherfuckers. Even though the quality of my camera is right now fucked up, but I don't know if he will win or he will win. If he will win, the quality of camera gonna be top notch. But if he will win, then I'll see you never.